Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how I created this golden kind of neutral makeup look. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. For today's look, we are using the Huda Beauty Medium Nude palette. It's beautiful. I'm gonna start off with this brown color here in the corner, and using a fluffy blending brush, I am just putting this right in the crease. And I'm really careful to connect this to my nose contour as well, kind of right below my brow here. And then with little circular motions, I'm slowly taking it into the outer corner. Nice thing about shadows from Huda Beauty is that they are really buildable, so you can create a lot of dimension with really just one shadow. And of course, you guys see I already have my base done. Do you guys like my new little filming setup? Oh my gosh. I'm trying this out, so I'm sure it's gonna change, you know, a little bit as I am learning with this new space, but I really like it. I'm so excited. I had been meaning to kind of set up this little filming room. Now that we are self-quarantined, your girl has taken the plunge. So I actually created this look originally yesterday, and I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna do like a really chill makeup look, something really natural and like easy. I just wanted to put makeup on and like feel pretty. Of course, I don't know what came over me. It's like I went for a natural look and then I was like, okay, we're doing this instead. I don't know if that happens to any of you guys, but I swear I'm like, oh, okay, something inside me just like takes over. So next, with my shadow brush from Makeup by Mario, I'm gonna pick up some of this warm kind of terracotta color right here. And I'm just gonna stamp this right in the outer corner and kind of bring it into that V shape. And I flip the brush over so that the color can kind of go up into the crease. And then I'm just dragging any extra kind of inward. And then I'm just taking that blending brush that we originally had and just kind of smoothing everything out with little circular motions. Next, I'm gonna pick back up that first brown color that we did in the crease. And with that same shadow brush, I am going to go under my eye, and I'm just really smoking out under here and making sure I connect it to the outer corner. Have you guys been playing with makeup during self-quarantine? Honestly, even if you don't want to do like a full-blown look, I highly recommend at least one day a week put some makeup on. It really will make you feel good, I promise. My finger, I'm gonna pick up this gold duochrome. As you guys see, I'm just using my finger to place this on the lid, and then I'm really careful to put it kind of up in this little corner area. It will help make your eyelid look a little bit bigger, and you can kind of build this up as intense as you want it. Just depends on your vibe, honestly. So now I'm going to take my Dose of Colors highlight in Fuego. With a detail brush, I am going to place this on the inner corner. I like filming in here, you guys. This is like good vibes. I feel creative. I feel like I can chat with you. I have this beautiful table in front of me with all my necessities. And I'm also going to pull this up into the inner corner as well. I know in my last favorites video, so I saw some people in the comments were like, yeah, we knew these were gonna be your favorites, like use them all the time. But my thing is like, I like showing you guys that you can only have like a few products and honestly make some really pretty looks out of them. So I'm just pulling this kind of up into the shadow ever so slightly. I'm also gonna take a dab under the brow, and I'm keeping it kind of like closer to this, not to the outer portion. Like I said, I'll be figuring things out in this room as far as like angles go and kind of where the best place for lighting and camera and everything, so bear with me since this is my first video in this space. It's gonna be kind of like trial and error a little bit. This is so pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh. I am like loving it even the second time around. I low-key feel like this might be one of my like go-to makeup looks. I'm gonna take that shadow brush and kind of redefine the crease a little bit. And with that shadow brush, I'm picking up the darkest brown, and I am gonna place the smallest amount of this in the crease. Kind of deepens it up a little bit. I feel like I'm constantly picking up the fluffy brush and just kind of going back and smoothing things out. Earlier, I just placed the brush in there, one little dab. A little bit goes a long way. And I went back in, just kind of take my time building it up. Nude Stix Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the color Immortal. And it looks like this. Basically, it's like a big fat chubby stick that you can use. Oh my god. Oh, Sheridan. You can use this as like all over eye color, or you can use it as a liner. We're gonna use it kind of as a liner. What we're gonna do is on the outer corner, line our eye with this halfway in, and ever so slightly take it up in the shape of a wing, but like not quite. Same thing over here. Also gonna do the waterline. I'm gonna drag a little bit onto my lower lash line as well. So you guys can see we only went like halfway. This is my Makeup by Mario smudge brush. It is so tiny and perfect, I swear. Look at it. Oh my god. This palette I'm about to show you is literally a mess. Do not come for me. I know I need to buy a new one. Dose of Colors Desi x Katy Friendcation palette. And I am gonna pick up Cheens, this dark brown right here. So I'm going to then start smudging the liner that we just put down with Cheens and my little smudge brush. And what I'm doing is I'm slowly dragging it in toward the center of my eye so that it creates a softer line as we get closer. And this little brush, I swear, is maybe one of my favorite brushes. I don't know, I love them all. Don't make me choose. So again, I'm just picking up Cheens as I need it and kind of going over this liner. And also by putting an eyeshadow over your liner, a cream liner, it's gonna help set it into place so it'll stay way longer. So then I am going to slowly start smoking out our little wing into kind of a bigger wing. And this kind of liner I feel like is so soft and sexy. I am going to also take this and go underneath where we put some of the liner as well and kind of smoke out underneath. I am having a little bit of fallout, but don't worry, my face is pretty well set, so we will wipe it away in a second. Taking this powder brush, it already has like some powder left on it, and lightly flicking away the fallout that I had. With the shadow brush in the same original crease shade, it's that lighter brown, I am just trying to smoke out and reblend this bottom portion here. Is Maybelline Snapscara for a mascara. Lashes today are some Lilly lashes from her sample sale. Unfortunately, these are not a usual style that you guys could just like buy, but honestly, any sort of lash that's like slightly fluffy, maybe even has a little wispiness to it, will do you good. Actually, I feel like Mykonos, the style Mykonos, would look really good with this look. Honestly, lashes go on so much better when it's not the first time. Like, I feel like the first time, they low-key, like, really play you. Okay, lashes are on. See, like, don't they just make this look so sultry? I love it. I love it. Lip liner from Dose of Colors in the color Truffle. Go and just overline our lips. And I am gonna take this and fill in kind of my upper lip a little bit and shade in kind of the edges of my bottom lip. Then I'm taking my KKW Nude liner in Nude 1. I'm gonna do like the top part and the bottom part and kind of line, like give it a little bit of depth. And a tip I like to do, like if you're overlining to make sure it's even, is I like to kind of take my upper lip and go like that, and then I can look and see, does it look even? And I kind of like my upper lip a little bit darker lately, I don't know. For lipstick, this is Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the color Anniversary. It's literally so gorgeous, you guys. I'm telling you, oh my god. This formula too is so nice. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's the perfect amount of like creamy but also matte. And I'm gonna start just here in the center. Blot my lips together, and then with my finger I go in and just blend. And that I feel like is really the key to like having a nice nude lip. Give ourselves a spritz here. This is Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, my fave. And this is a close-up of the makeup for you guys to see the finished look. Alright, well, I hope you guys like the finished look. I am honestly so obsessed with my makeup like this. I think it's so pretty. Also, if you guys are interested in any of the products, they will all be listed down below in the description box for you to check out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't already part of my little baby YouTube family, please support me as a creator by subscribing to my channel. It honestly means so much to me, and I noticed that there's a bunch of new subscribers, so hi to all of you guys who are new that are watching. It makes me so happy. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!